In today's episode, we are thrilled to welcome Jamie Stewart, CEO, Circle Networks. It is a relationship-first platform helping entrepreneurs grow their business through authentic connections and referrals.
In 2020, when COVID hit, everybody went online for their networking. Nobody wakes up in the morning and thinks, whose customer can I be today? I'm going networking. Whose customer can I be? And yet everybody, it feels like, goes networking to sell, but nobody goes networking to be a customer or to buy anything. So traditional networking, I think, is broken.
I just want to go over there to talk to them, not to sell anything, not to buy anything, because I'm a busy person all the time with work. So I need a headroom for me to get some soothing time, listen to people, get my idea steered to the next levels, because the more I listen, more I generate.
And I think when we first start our businesses, we just want clients. Nobody starts a business thinking I need more friends. But when you build some good friendships in business, then it can make all the difference as we're growing. So who do we serve? We serve nice people in business. Everybody that runs a business is very busy. And in an ideal world, we just want clients. How do we get clients? When we first start a business or we're growing a business, we don't think, right, how am I going to generate lots of leads? It's just, how do I get clients? And it can feel very frustrating until we work out that none of us really start a business to be salespeople. And yet, in order to be successful, we need to become good salespeople. In order to be good at sales, then we need prospects or leads.
You do whatever you are good at and let other people do whatever they are good at. And when you combine them together, you make it stronger. And something that I also come across when I was in other networking events, like you have similar businesses and you become enemy, okay? And I think I hate that because, individually, I'm a person with distinct characteristics, okay? I can't be you. So you might have something that is different than me. So why don't we communicate together, engage together, marry up things, and then serve clients with distinct, good, and greater things.